Hi bro, you can see I'm standing bottom of the mountain, okay? And now I will go up on this mountain and I will try to show you whatever on the mountain, okay? And now I am at bottom part of this mountain, okay? And after some minute I will go up, okay? And I have come here by bicycle and one boy with me, okay? This boy is sitting on the peak of this little stone. And now, boy, please come, come with me and try to go, go up this, okay? And you can see this is my cycle, okay? And now I'm trying to climb this mountain, okay? And you can see there are many trees, okay? And we are here to make video because I was thinking to come here to make video and there are many words. I think my mobile's camera is no good, not so good, that's why you can't see. And because I am hearing the chirping of birds, okay? And you can see this is the mountain and this is the a stone. Someone is big side and someone is in a small size, and there are many birds are flying and they are chirping. I know, by the way, you can see I am going up this mountain, okay? And now definitely this is a big moment for me because this is my first video that I'm making on the mountain, okay? And by the way, I don't know the name of all trees that grows in the mountain, but I will show you, okay, what kinds of plants grows on mountain. First you see what is the name of this plant, okay? Its fruits we eat, okay, in summer season, but not now. And now yes, I have come on the mountain and you can, this is a very big size mountain and this is a very big large. i I think I can sleep, I can sleep while climbing, but uh, I am manage myself. And now finally I have come, okay? This little boy is climbing up, okay? Because oh my god, you will sleep, come carefully, okay? Yes, this is a very big size of a stone, okay? And now you can see now on the mountain now, yes. And now I'm feeling tired little bit, but I will go up, I will go higher, more higher on the mountain, okay? And okay, and I try to show you the ground from the mountain, okay? You can see everything looks a small in size, okay? Because we are on the mountain, and from here if we try to look anything, so all things look in a small. I think you can see 3 person are going, okay? And they are looking at us because this boy is with me. Come boy, come, we have to go up now, okay? And now we have come, there are many trees here, okay? And oh my god, we are feeling tired. Oh, and here are many trees, and you can see there is little space to go, okay? But we will make way to go ahead because we have decided to go, okay? And you can see there are many trees now. Oh my god, no, really I'm feeling tired, you can see and you can guess. Oh my god, you know, I sit for some take rest, okay? Boy, please sit here, please sit anything. And you can see here is cow dung cake, okay? Cow dung cake in a mountain on the stone. Okay. Oh my god. Really, by the way, I'm enjoying. Okay. And after 1 month, I have come on the mountain. Okay. And really, it is a beautiful moment for me and also for this boy. Boy, please look at the camera. Yes, this is boy who helps me. Whenever I call him, then he will come. Okay. He can't deny. I will not come. You know, uh, I think I need to make video today in the mountain, and I will see many kinds of plants, tree, and birds. This is the home of wild animal. Okay, but people day by day cut down the tree for their own profit. Okay, but we don't know what is the disadvantage and what will we lose from this mountain. Okay, because according to time we need to cut down when we don't need anything of wood, that time we don't need to cut. Okay, and there are many tree you can see behind. I'm sitting on the stone. And by the way, what kind of tree behind us, uh, I also don't know, but if you know, you can write in the comments. You can see. And some, in jungle there are many kinds of animal, wind animal. Okay, they live, some live on the tree, some live in the burrow, some live in the cave, some live in the nest, because we know what's live in their nest. Okay, so I try to show you something we have here. Okay, and this is also one big size of a stone. Okay, and we will go from this way. By the way, there is no any way, but we will try to go there. Okay, we want to go there. Okay, so boy, please come with me, and the way I will go, you have to follow me. Oh my god. Yes, yes, bro. And I think someone has come here before us. Okay, I think this is the way. Through this way people go and come. Oh, and completely this mountain is peaceful, and no one, any cattle, no any person, only we are here to making this video. Okay. Oh, no people, bro, like this I practice speaking English. I don't think I'm having to speak English, I'm having to learn English. No, I never think. I think this way we need to talk, we need to involve the people, and we can enjoy. Definitely we should enjoy of learning English. Come here. We have come here. Okay, you can see we are surrounded by the trees and a stone. Okay, and this is the little way. Through this way we have here. Bro, please come ahead, come ahead, come ahead. Okay, and I will try to break some part of this plant. Okay, I try to break. It will break or not. Oh my god, it is not easy to break, because it is more flexible. If it is hard, then I can break it, but it is not breaking. You can see what is the name of this plant. It is very strong, it is flexible. Okay, oh boy, please come in the sunlight. Please come in the sunlight. Okay, now we are here, bro. Yes, so bro, if in your side any jungle, then you can also wander, and you feel what we feel. We feel very good, and we feel very happy and peaceful palace, the jungle, where there is no cattle, no person, only you will see plants, tree, a stone, and chirping of birds, and that time you will feel very peaceful. Okay, if you make a noise in the mountain, then your sound will echo. Echo means your sound will go very away. Okay, so now I am hearing the sound of some people. I think uh, on 100 meters away some people are in the mountain. Okay, so now bro, as I think you like this video, and we are here, and now I want to request you, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And now it is time to go down, go down from the mountain, because uh, I need to go, because it is time to go. And in the evening time, because I teach some boys in the tuition, so it will be late. So so before time I have to anyhow reach at the tuition. Okay, so uh, with me one boy. This is a Lalu. People say Lalu. Okay, but his name is Ravikant. Okay, so please, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And no, because I thought, no, I will make a blogging video, so I will go in the mountain. And so I am here, and now I'm going down. Okay, so it video will be larger, so I will make one. Why I will add one more minutes. Okay, so now I will show you going down. Oh my god, it's very difficult to go down, but somehow I have to go. You can see I'm going down. I will jump. Okay, I am going to jump. Oh my god. I mean, okay, so now oh my god, I was just about to fall down, but somehow I managed myself. Okay, so hi bro, thank you for today. I will meet you in the next video. So bye. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. So please support me. Why subscribe? Okay, thank you. I will meet you in the next video. Take care of yourself.